We are an international team of over 100,000 shipping professionals, united by a passion for logistics. And we work in a unique environment. TL is as innovative as a startup, with the power of an international organization. We provide a full range of logistics and related services.
When you ship with Teo Logistics, you ship with specialists in international shipping and courier delivery services. With our wide range of express parcel and package services, along with shipping and tracking solutions to fit your needs, Teo Logistics can deliver. Teo Logistics offers a wide range of optional services, from non-standard deliveries and billing options to climate-neutral shipping, giving you flexible service options to fit your shipping needs.
Watch how your package travels with TL and learn how we can help you with each step of the journey. Shippers can include a specific signature service option when creating the shipment. Recipients can schedule delivery for when they're home or leave with a neighbor. We're specialists in international shipping. We've got tips and advice to help you ship with confidence.
120,000 people working at Teo Logistics. Over 160 countries and territories served. And 1,200,000 parcels delivered per year.
Teo Logistics makes it easier than ever to ship online, get quotes, schedule pickups, find locations, track shipments, and more.